Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable hands-free mode in WhatsApp calls. So that actually is weird to some people, but yeah, it exists. You can enable hands-free mode in WhatsApp calls, as you can enable the free hands in sorry, I'm going to look for a contact that I will show you the example for. So you need to get to the chat that you want to, for example, send an audio. Let's set an example with an audio. So what's the hands-free mode mean? So, for example, I can just tap on the audio and tap it and swipe it up. Alright, and like that I can I can't leave my phone on the table, for example, and I can say whatever I want to say, and then I will just tap on this green icon right here, or paper, and it will be sent. So that's what does mean the hands free. So for example, I will call this contact just like that. Alright, and after that, sorry, yeah, and after I call it, what I can do to enable the hands free mode, I will just go into the speaker, and yeah, when I open or when I tap on the speakers, I will for example, I will just leave my phone on the table, and I will go somewhere close to my phone, and even I can talk and I can hear. Alright, so this is how to enable hands-free mode and WhatsApp calls. Anyways, thank you for watching and goodbye.